guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I come here today to come and read national anthem of Do Something Go Back Home. And this message is for this our brother. Oyaba. We me we wo le we da ibelo we jaye me sigbo me danyo iyan me wo jaye. We are me only alone. Now, whenever na wo tesan. My old digging no Benny. We are the river of Esan land. Me call baby mindful. We da we only alone jaye. Why me chen? Enye ki chenye my python. Waka gwa ne hen chen my. My gloria my moria betu na da jewe adaje da yo. Let me go down to the talk. Una see this Don Prince. Don Prince. You carry this Esan boy come. You can't use until they insult Lolo. Abi? You dey use until they insult Lolo. You say make the Esan boy tell Lolo, make Lolo they speak Esan. Obiaba. Any Lolo kan maybe Lolo work at home with Facebook. Or any me one or vote do adje. You go say hey, this is lovely. Don't see use Esan talk to me again. Or like me as Esan or like her. Sometimes okay, Esan imeze. If they like and well. You see, huh? I know the way I treat myself because I don't use fan. If I use fan, it make me sick. Go come worst my distance. You know? You know? Mais alors they see comment to. Oh no, I'm why comment yo. Ubo compare comment yo no. Mais on Johnny Dava yo sonri. So ki ma sans grace na yo sonri mais hein. Then the time when problem they Facebook. Everybody don't talk for the problem. Even some may self use and they do life. All of them forget. This Don Prince. You know what you they talk to Lolo since then. I be live video presenter. They select where una for they made mistake. And they always pass you. It's not my problem. Because why me want top for this matter? As you carry this Esan boy come, now I did trusted on. As you carry this Esan boy come. Una see this the day na wish today. When the day na wish enter Facebook. Everybody got the thought the day na wish. She's from Esan. Oti she called a disgrace himself. Una he can't see una no. Una he can't do something when he make una see and finish. Today now, this useless the day na wish. Una they find how you want to come on for Isa una. Una don't fit carry and come on for Isa una self. Now they find how I want to carry another Esan come. Make come join na awa. Osenobla waka. Osenobla no motors and waka. All what va na no turn it upside down. If I turn it upside down, I continue useless because this one is of no use. If this woman that they find pass, human being pass, this one, nothing what they'll take for a body. Anything when they body, not they work again. It's just managing. Why I talk about this the day now wish put. You go carry this Esan guy come tomorrow. Una will be the same Benin. Una go come see fight this Esan guy. I they talk my own. Yes. I they talk my own. You know why they talk? I know why I say sometimes if una they fight, I they use una foolishness. Come take can, come they mock una. You know? Sometimes people will come and say, ah, Mama, this matter You know, just talk put and say, no, I'm not dey join anybody again. I dey on my day. If you dey on your day, nothing dey happen. Then, this Don Prince, you don't take when you dey insult Lolo. As you physically say your insult, not the reach where Lolo dey. Now you can't draw attention. You, this guy, take draw attention. If this guy can't come, they will come to say you dey talk to Lolo. And this guy, I will say I see this guy. Person when you know this guy, I will tell the person, say, I beg, drop this guy phone number for me. Make I call and say, make come on for Sauna. If you want to follow other Benin people do friend without Facebook, let him go and do friend with them. But not the people where they Facebook. Not the people where they Facebook. You see, huh? Okay. Then this Don Prince. I already Udo or Kakafo before Vwekwe vai. Udo e Kakafo before avant kwe ade. Udo e Kakafo before me kwero. Da already Udo wa Kakafo ame arero okikpokwa. You don't talk to Lolo for many years now. You know you can't draw anybody attention. You see, say nobody they mind you. If you they talk of that one sometimes, say nobody they watch you. Then you come to talk, say how you want to draw people attention. Now you carry this Ishan guy come. Because you can't draw people attention. What did this guy do so? No Ishan person when go like him. In no day. Some people feel call us over about. When they done this guy will don't receive call. Himself go even regret self. Even he say come next, I can say lovely enter house, lovely they craze na lie. You want just shake your body. Or just you go no shake it, no sorry. Don't priest. Now this Facebook now you day. The person when you they fight for, when you they beat Lolo for. Now this Facebook you day. Ishama marry and put for house, toh. Ishama marry and put for house. At the end of the day, when I say the boy when they, when I don't see the girl collect. This man get 2 girls and get 1 boy. When I don't collect the 2 girls when they. Now the boy when they, no more bear una buy. Or ever ki yo renya or sell avec yo. I want never tao. Why can't to boba ne be tao? Well, I know why sometimes we know they like to talk about that boy. It's like, with the disgrace somebody's son. Only say the family that owns that son, their brain no correct again. Now I make them. As you see me so, I use my children to follow person play. You yourself go even still talk and save. You will say you see that barrister, Lovely Kyoya. She know you use the children to follow person play. Now so they can't carry that Ishan man when they call her Ambrose on a me and no. Now so they can't carry and come. The pikin when that when I thought say he marry Benin woman. The pikin when Benin woman born for under the roof. When I thought say na the man. Now na get her. Now talk at the thought they come because I already vato bugwa le ya tie bugwa le nya. Now na shit they push na shit for na nyash. Yes, because they say ils sont soit sont avec ou holo. Wa area wa we ya tie. Then the time when that they drag say now now he gets that song. Today now we don't know who get that song. Today we don't know who gets that song. Una carry the song now. We leave one. You people are still waiting for DNA test. Now this useless witch. Now he talk say now pikin. Now that boy be. Can't reach today. The day air. You know green comot. Okay, Don Prince. You don't ever come talk for that matter say. This song one at the talk say no be Ambrose Now Ambrose now get the song. You don't ever talk her. No, you never talk her one day. I don't know whether you don't talk her. If you don't talk her, do video, reply me. I'm Yogun. I can't go to the swear for people. Me Yogun tiebo. I they talk with my mouth. You hear? Condes use Google now is not is irrelevant. Now so that they trade that Peking matter for Facebook. If you be real better person where it gets sense, you're not even supposed to do this women live video again. Because anytime when you do this women live video, that Peking when you carry to na own, it must appear for the book. Am I lying? No, I'm not lying. Okay. Then you come sit down. You don't fight Lolo, fight. You don't have personal issue with Lolo. You dey fight Lolo, no consign me. Lolo no respond to you because why? You no be woman. You know why I can't respond to you? As you carry this issue, boy, come. That is where I get angry. Because today now, if you now use and fight finish today now, tomorrow we now still come fight him. But this boy has been watching this social media for a very long time. This guy could have known you people game, but he refused to understand. How this Ishan guy, why they free yourself? It's a pity. I'm very angry of you, guy. Awalawa. When you parodita, we say awa lawa. Ona ware juawoto. Awi bo aseni okidi na jai. Okirunu lo. Okirunu an lo okerege nya obaye pade oke. Okiboche yo. You go dey wake am. Awalawa. My tawo tesan walawa. Ena ne to bera kon legbe. Ena legbe. Enye no mwenye lolo enahi. Those are the snake that swallow snake. Awalawa we se ni jawa da lawa awa reju. Na de yoge nya agwa be vae elan we riwo to ole. They were keep vibe without that God don't tell we about. You fuck up at the verse. You fuck up. Where ye san? Okay, san di nye. We da gole de na wish no relay na. In oyesan amuwen jivie do. Ni vie do agbe. E na nya ivie do ki boy. Ivie do ki boy na. Today na you still carry yourself on Facebook. Tomorrow now, this year they beat you. They themselves know. The Benin people know that everyone tie lovely tie. Because they fight their own people. The people that fight their own people. Who are you when they don't go fight? The people that fight their own people go to social media. Adulteress. Who they bring adulteress issue? Is it Ishan? Is it Igbo? Who? Is them they serve. They disgrace their women. They go carry their women, they go treat their women naked. Now inside, now you day. Tomorrow, now when they begin to they beat you now. Who be the Asian person where you go come rescue you out? You know day. Or you are ba. Ayogenya. No matter the journey, no where the chance upo wala. Aruelo, or dare, or as a shan qui moujon qui fait le job keke, or you say, or dare, e balu alu. Now, what did they do? Now, they do. This will my. Or may they make money. Joe Quave Doshan. Don't be walking on me, Ruwa Cheveni. Yeah? Oh! Kuru ọmọ nàwa rẹ̀ lóyí màchí ọmọ. Hello, Jerry. Naware loi. Chioma. Hello, Jerry. Eh? Naware loi. Abuwa de baba o. But I love my Sonia Rio. I just want to play this Esan music to use and take wake you up if you are sleeping. Don't be a naive. Don't be a naive to the community. Don't be a naive. Anyone where supported, they are coming to beat you. That is what I don't like about them. See the way they beat their brothers and their sisters. You want to tell Facebook people say you carry umudada. I carry umuyaka. Umuyaka but all that you want boy, you be boy. Book away hina. Eh? When don't tell me Facebook again when we emi na wo. When that day when you want to come sit down they talk. You want to show yourself on Facebook. Who they see you? Nobody they see you, guy. Before you want Asian woman see you, guy, don't go make money. Go and make money. You make money. When they follow Facebook like video men when be say they gog. And they follow, they do life. The time when I take do that life, when I mates that they hustling feed. Me I put them for charger. That they hustling feed. That they also for there. You follow this guy dayline. Uregbe unu. Oh yeah, but regbe unu where regbe unu na. They nya ejuje bi emina Francis eni umeko ikwe kuwo kan ibo eni wa na we wole boy gen ni river Amsterdam. Call a wash and start and make it only boy make. Go and make the cool money. On when they do to where you are you again where you lolo no azesan. Where kishan tami lolo no azesan. Where a boy where tami lolo. You use English to tell lolo to speak Ishan. Why did you use Ishan language to tell lolo to speak Ishan? And if lolo want to know that lolo is coming to reply to you. Why me, I'm interested in this thing. No whether you walk san, we don't debate this boy na dotwa. Now I make me vex. Ene na I debate muma no ve. Where are hey you whether no where neko you da neko. Edi yogenya eni we da neko. Yes, ekeyo na they run eta. Now all of these people I see. If I they talk now they'll say lovely. You be racist. I'm telling the facts. You see, Bini, I stay for Bini. I told him I say I be street girl. But not be street, say kakaka, or not be all those street girl, nyama nyama, I get, say you get friend. There was one of my Bini girlfriend, if you call me once at a time. If you say something happen, don't say fight. If you reach where I did, now stubborn people, not be people when they thief, not be igbeagia. Just say that they fight. Maybe somebody they follow you, drag boyfriend. This guy, if he get problem, me I know they too much get problem. I don't know how to find problem. If this guy say problem just still come. If me with that they run, they go. I will tell them say me will follow this back. Me could go hide for this back. Yeah, you say oh Esan. That's why they call you say oh Esan lovely. You say come on the road they go. He say if you hide for dear, say who they pursue you they come. They will go show them where they hide you. I say he say that's what that they do. Now say for Esan. If you they hide, if they run, they come. Person they pursue you, they come. They will go hide you. They go find you. They go threaten the person, threaten. Go say, he no see you. He say, no, I do that one for you, oh, my sister. Oh. He say, if you run enter this house now the people when they that house, the people when they pursue you, they come. Now they go show them, say, see where you hide put. He say, now they go hide you. Now they go still go show them where they hide you. I tell the guy, say, that's all I tell the BA for you. He say, yeah, tell us, say, I bet don't they fight to go because me, if they pursue me, they like to hide though. He say, me, I not just they hide though. With they run, they go. I experience son. He's my best friend. Now Bini gay. Now my best friend. I get Bini best friend. The Bini when I get for best friend, I don't get one. They know the leak secrets. There is see Bini woman, you will tell her something, you not tell any man, even you bougie. If you carry the matter connect, they go say, I don't remember again. You go say, so day like this, I tell you, say, I don't remember, person. If you don't tell, like, you don't the wire, I will go give other person. Or we don't do to have Facebook, bros. I want to mine. Now, truth, now tell you, we are bad. Whoever day, I experience some. Now, my Bini girlfriend, or motor Bini, no, very stubborn girl. Very stubborn. I say I stubborn, eh? He's stubborn. But my own, I dey do my own silent. I didn't me stubborn. Me I fear me if you can't fear me, you know, ballon me fee. I'll say more wrong entire. They'll say, come on, they don't they go. These people now they go hide you. Now they go see go show people where they pursue you. They go now they go see go show them where they hide you. I said, we know they do that one for Ishalando. Say. Say no, but they go. Now so, you see, huh? Why I thought that one way about? You see this Don Priest, eh? This live video when you follow this guy do, eh? You follow and do one. You follow and do one. This guy they find how he want to bring Ishan down. You don't see anybody. Even you don't see evil Bini person where you follow and they do that shit. Most of live video presenter Bini men, if they fight them. Now you know one can fight. Who they talk to for inside? The rest they fight them. Even the guy where they call out Johnny Bizugbe, the day when Johnny Bizugbe do in naming ceremony, this guy go Johnny Bizugbe house. He drink with Johnny Bizugbe, he eat with Johnny Bizugbe. But today now, he they beat Johnny Bizugbe. Is he not a Bini man or Tianri? Now they say water and they take bath. What of you when you come for Ishan? If they want to talk now, they'll say I'll be racist. No, I'm not a racist. I'm saying the truth. If you people want to call me racist on this on this Facebook today, you people should call me racist. I don't care. But the fact of it, if person they talk truth now, they say na racist because you know the fact, you don't want believe, you don't want to take the facts. Monica will all of fight. Eh? As the fight finish, men when they talk put, they don't enter house. You say you they fight for Monica. The time when they say the pikin when Monica born, now una pikin you talk, you accept and say the pikin now una own because why? You are a racist to Ishan. You be racist to Ishan. You accept pikin. Even he say that pikin, I don't want to know who get her, who not get her. As far say, now on that Ambrose roof, now they for born that pikin. Now Ambrose get the pikin. But if not say now want go do blood to blood, they find who get that pikin. You not consign me. They say person when he marry woman put for house. If he born, even if say another man go give her belle, he born. Or let's say the man will talk say I don't want. Carry the pikin go give. He get right. If the woman, the man talk say bring the pikin, I forgive you. I will train and join my children. They happen like that. But not on that way around. Do you ever drag that? I drag a no more na obesanre. The drag and go give a binima. Now shut up. Now the one where they know say what you now they do no good. Now they see they shout come today. Come they talk of DNA test. So that they go know if Ambrose get her, make they go give her to Ambrose. Now paint out that case. But I'm not talking about that. Because why I bring that issue to put it in your score. That is high time for you to leave Lolo, May with Monica. They fight. Face men when they fight you. What you did with this Ishan guy, you did it wrong. You don't ever use any Ishan for your weapon. I won't accept it. Look at this one when if I come that day, this Odegbe. This Odegbe, if you carry a rich market, nobody go grip buy her again. Even if say you carry this one, go, she ran go reject her. This Odegbe, this useless woman. This is how this useless woman want to sell me, give Bini people that time. But today, now Bini they beat. You can't say now me tell me call they insult Bini people. For underground, now they come see say, now they say even the Benin, make they go, they fight themselves. I never tell Benin person, say, go fight this person. If Benin person with Benin person, they quarrel, and they settle them, ask a party. Ask a party. You know? Then you don't do that. Don't bring it on. Don't try again. I bet go find Benin man when you tell they do that rubbish. And no Benin man will follow you do that thing. Don't try it. Don't bring it on. No try it. This guy, no that thing when this boy they used to do be a buy rohan luo. E de agwenya eki dog bear. Even the food when you follow them chop, they will use and contain laugh you. Now, but sure whether reduce it bear, go where this guy did. You reduce yourself. If not business, now you with this guy do now. I'll say fine. You go meet this Benin guy, now do business together. No be you can't they use you to the saga woman. Okay, son, what do I regret when you about balling leg? They pay me. You break break my heart. Oh yeah, but who break your heart no say? Who alone no say? Bonu we what China. You go where these people dey. Une. Ejune that ho anywhere that ho where pig go bath. Now there you go bath. See this guy, man. This guy you for your hand. These people know people when they follow they fight. Oh yeah, but regbe need this guy me for. Regbe na me for gbe. This one have this. Why? I don't know, but bros, you not try now. They verse. I never verse like this. Oh yeah, but we will try. Esan, yo, why you can't do this kind of thing? You're not supposed to do this thing. If you want to fight Lolo, let him fight Lolo by himself. This man, he's been fighting Lolo over 2 years now. But Lolo no mind now. As he comes, he say Lolo no mind, I don't see anybody. Now he say one carry come. Priest, don't priest, why you carry come? Go and choose your people. If you anywhere be, yeah, but you where. Go and be fighting your brothers. I don't say tomorrow now you carry this boy, come make this boy come insult me. If this boy insult me, he's my brother. I don't go insult him. Now you are the con insult. Now true, I tell you. No where I really know see this boy now, baby. Make it run in the bear. You tell us, say, you can't tell Lolo, me Lolo they speak Ishan. Who they fight Lolo? No be na we be Benin, no be na they fight Lolo. Yes, can't how many Ishan people where they fight Lolo. You know their Facebook. Party said they didn't wish. Fine, me with all of it. We do saga for almost how many years ago. We don't do. I don't. Maybe we don't. They do saga again. Since he can't say he apologize, even the time when they didn't wish, can come make they use until they do saga. Now that I tell Lolo say enter house, leave this useless woman, or to control away this useless woman. Then as he comes, he say, you not see somebody where you want to follow you. You they fool yourself, don't prince. Now you go carry this Ishan guy come. This Ishan guy, why you don't use Ishan to talk to Lolo? Say Lolo, oh yeah, ba Esan. You want to use Ishan to fight? You see how senseless you are? You are a senseless man. That means you are fed up of fighting Lolo. You cannot fight Lolo again because why? Lolo no answer you. Then you want to use Ishan person. You want to use it against Lolo. You won't put this Ishan guy. You won't put that for Lolo mind. And this Ishan boy now he true sit down. Oh yeah, but what that do na buki? Une na hina. We na cho une do. Une. There are Benin people they run for them. You go there, go follow and sit down. How many Benin men you see say if they follow and they do live video? So they hide for camera. So Benin men they go there with time. If they carry camera, come they go dodge. Benin guys that they follow and they sit down. If you see say if they carry camera, come you go dodge. Benin guys. Then you can't use chest sit down, bros. You fuck up. Why you go let them gum you join this guy? This guy not be saying this guy is a business guy. He's not a business guy. You are welcome, my personal person. Yeah, the guy not try. This is your guy. You not try. Go and, don't please go and fight Lolo by yourself. Go fight Lolo. This Lolo wey they fight today. DNA test when they say make they bring. You don't fight that pikin. Say this pikin na bros own. You don't fight the pikin. Say this pikin na bros own. What do? You cannot go give Benima say na Benima na I get Ambrose pikin. Come reach today. If now they thought that they vex me. If they vex me. Just stop it. If you want to fight Lolo, go use your people. Till they fight Lolo. Don't use Ishan. Use Esan Reani Lolo Hoen. If this boy now say now he use chest sit down now they talk to Lolo. Even Ishan people ask and say, what did that woman do you? You carry the boy come. You they use the boy. You want use the boy. You want come disgrace who? You don't tell where you want disgrace Ishan. You don't see where you want take disgrace Ishan. This boy too small to disgrace Ishan. This boy too. As you don't disgrace your Bini people, you don't fight with your Bini people. You know what they do these people? If these people say, they don't they disgrace themselves, they go they find another person when they go adjust their disgrace. Ask me what he doing. They are jealous. You people should stop disgracing yourself. They say, Ishan people not there. Ishan people there now. Ishan people like the Bini, this thing, Edo State, Ora Day, Afema Day, Auchi Day, Ogbo Day, different this thing. Day. Why don't they mention those people? Because the way when this Ishan guy take on now he make una one fee say una want make Ishan people consider the fool itself the way one take the fool una self. No only una the fool una self. They fight your people. Take this boy out of this thing. Obiaba, this nonsense, I know say you they come next time because I hate that who was on time. Say daughter be or maybe not be neither for bonjour. It can be. It can be because you not gonna carry over your Esan. Or me son na be business you work you no dolu no be business. You can't carry and sit there, you can't follow the talk rubbish. You go say Obiaba, boy yo here can look by yo. Go say how much the man talk. Go say no, tell the man say me Jonah. Now that one I they see Ishan guys. Now that one they see Ishan guys. Ishan guys, that time when they fight for Italy, that's Ishan people they fight, Ishan people they fight. Now always they fight put na money. Now money that they fight put say oh ya ba me reunion they wakare go waro ni go na na ma bia di ko ho abina. Go say oh ya ba my papa brother, I give you something, you don't give me the money complete. If you don't give me today, we go fight that for year. Then they fight for money. Or they fight for irrelevant thing. Why you what you don't know? Why you want to show yourself on Facebook? You know the shame? You know the shame? See the second one when it be partly Ishan. You don't see the time when they carry mama on Facebook. That one they find where you want hide the head. Yes, let him know. Don't use Ishan. Use your people because your people not go agree. Use your people. Don't wait till that they call you. Use your people. You are a senseless man. You don't have brain. Make a business. Ishan guys, they find who they do business. Who not build they fight. I don't even know what this guy go do for your house. Oh yeah, pa. I'm here in France. Nous je veni. Avadi mina. Now we train Wavadi Holland. We are Amsterdam. Nous red Amsterdam. Yo yeah, pa. Me wala landinya. Me wan me jime we. Ozo yeah, pa. Me wala landinya. Me wan me jime we. Do kisha anwere tamame wa Amsterdam. Ashi Geising Hof. Ashi Geising Hof. Wa nwere we mina we train station we Bema Arena. Ye wo enya ugwani taisi. Not that once Geising Hof wa seni wa nwere wo ke san mame ni. Bibi gbo bibi bibache agbo de die. Nous les Zuru et sans yaba Rameme mo ya o ya pa me wo landinya o me wa say we me jinya say we o. You go say no worry. Only one day when you go follow and stay streets. You don't connect you be that. The second day, you don't dey count money for your wallet. Who can account you go? No pay me go. Anywhere they don't want no they touch money. These people not they touch money. Only waiting these people want they touch. Problem, betrayal. Now they have they touch. Only where don't they don't want and they are full of problem. Now don't priest. Now this guy, this small guy, now I want to talk to Lolo. Now I want to tell Lolo, me Lolo they speak Ishan. People when Lolo they fight now, who they follow Lolo fight now. No be Bini women when they do social media. Now Bini women when they do social media. Now they with Lolo they fight. Lolo they speak Bini. Why Lolo they speak Bini? Because Lolo now Bini now they build their house put. Now I make they speak Bini. Even if Lolo speak Bini, they clear past your own. You see the jealousy say Lolo they speak Bini. What they say I know where. For live and for you. One day they thought the person say, lovely, they speak Ishan, not they speak Bini again. Now I tell the person say now Facebook. Now I can't know how to speak Bini. I don't know how to speak Bini before. Even my Bini girlfriend go say, lovely. We don't do friendship for years. You don't want to speak this Bini. You don't want to speak Bini. I'll say, leave me. Don't force me to speak language. I reach here. Now I'm going to speak Bini language. Now Facebook. Go ask any friend of mine where they be Bini. They'll say, Even some self. If me with them, they tell say, Sister Love, say, they'll say, you don't miss Ishan and miss Bini together. Say, you say, you they try before. You know they speak Bini at all before. How they speak? How they speak? Everybody know say na Ishan, na Lolo be. If they speak Ishan, if Lolo speak Ishan, you won't be don prince. You no go hear. Even Bini when Lolo they speak safe, you know they hear the Bini. Who you they fight for? They fight for Monica. Not be your people, Monica. When they fight for, not be una people talk say Ambrose speaking now. Eh? Ba yo no mo na Ambrose so se va kino. E khoelowa. Nyama people. Una carry the pikin. Una say na papa walai o. Papa walai o nyomo. Una don't know how to talk. More I don't let person go back to what he don't pass. Una don't let carry person go the zolo something way. He be say they don't dig for inside ground. Who bought you say now? Okay, yo, we are buy you where me yo no Esan abi pronounce yaba obi my sister. Yeah, you should not make fool of himself. See Ishan guy, you just sit down. But we what China what don't na book ye no kie na gbe na u ne na hina. Those are the best side of a child. Then now what's about make coin? Nothing. What if Facebook? What if you come and say I say Etasi, I be your mama age mate. If you can't don't please if you can't talk to me, I don't go even insult you. I be your mama age mate. I reach to bonjour. How old are you? I reach to bonjour. No can't insult me. If you can't insult me, you know say lovely go can't I not go even insult you. And they be where make am bog be. Now so what they do now. Now any person when you insult me, am bog be ne be wa because any bieba otuma be kohi. As I say my pikin they don't big. Any bieba otuma be kohi. Ki mo bog bona on any bieba. So stupid. Why you want to carry Ishan? Come tell the Ishan boy say me tell Lolo they speak Ishan. Any Ishan if Lolo they follow the day na winch. If you want insult the day na winch. If they speak Ishan for the day na winch, you know they speak Bini for the day na winch because Lolo know say the day na winch na banker when he grow for a walking. Since if they hear Ishan, then Lolo call they speak Ishan for her. This boy, we are about nonsense. Nah, let me come and motivate you. People have went to Reno. If you never go to Padova, finemi kwa even France nu we geninya ibo ke san finemi kwa veni geju we da do tima eju we da do tima na imeko balu ne na nyama no wo na they cook for those one nyama no we about na kwa are bi hotel ibo eri wo ke san kwa wo kan very streets they build hotel they find money when they build hotel so they build this thing filling station. Now I build the filling station. I now build this 2-bedroom flat. Or I build this the real one way there. The real believe me way they say way they make money. Who me and the man? And I sit there. Go to Bini, you see some Bini guys when they start down. They finish we call start down. Big guys. Now they move they room on can we wait? And now we do okay. We are bad. I say we are fine. We will don't make corner. But we want China. I make a mobile phone. Make a remi. I make a we are bad. Kwani 100 euro. Remember, me ke mama no just get na. It's a shame on you. It's a shame on you. It's a shame on you. Huh? It's a shame on you. Huh? The day when I did Amsterdam, we got the talk. I can't the talk and I can't speak Isha. I can't speak Isha for the Igbo lady when they said something for them. Because one of my Ishan and sister, my friend, now go say, oh, the woman that walk bonya. Now the woman say, I understand what you talk. Say now bitterly soup. Now say yes. All the guys, sister, you be Esan we Esan we where you we shan bonya the way we resonate sanya ba. You don't see her. You don't see her. Everyone people are making over don't they na do to her. And if rice I ki munde na ne ale. Where me on nya or David Facebook I work see this guy, see the way he take fine. He not fine now depression now they worry don't prince. Depression because he no green maker. Now depression. Yeah, it's a very big shame of this guy. Go Ishan land, just go Ishan. Enter Bini. Just enter Bini. Where we'll see one area. Bini Ishan. Then where they build has put. Even some Bini people say, hey, this area, yes, I want why So go see some Benin guys for Amsterdam. Then they follow Esan, Igbo, Agbo, some Benin. Then they follow that they do things. This one when they say for when the depression they worry. Who see this man now? He go say they enjoy. No, they enjoy depression. They make person they fat. And I don't see this as the day and wish. I don't see it as depression make them fat. Depression they make people fat. See, don't praise now. Depression they worry. Do you think don't praise wanted to be failure? Don't praise no wanted to be failure, but the place that he find himself, he become a failure of himself. Don't praise no want to be failure. When don't praise, you don't see Ewoni awo big guhia. Johnny Bisu be no te go big. Johnny Bisu be gwali wina riene. If they follow part Johnny Bisu be they fight. Do you think this social media where don't praise like her? Don't praise not like her. Working your phone now, don't they buy don't praise David now? Now depression, now they worry don't praise. Person when they say, I talk. Now so I talk, and maybe they don't praise. If I don't talk, maybe they don't praise. That one no man so. Is that not frustration? I talk. Now maybe they don't pray. Now what they say that is madness. Madness in practicing. He practice and finish your entire body. Which life is your presenter? No matter how the matter will come sweet rich when they behave like the way we don't praise they behave. Why guy me I was even there so I talk I be the don't praise. I be don't praise. I talk. Oh. Mewe. Are you serious? What is your problem? What's so new? Is that normal? Who you want to talk to? If they talk like that, people will go away. Me what I praise. I don't roll on house. I bet this one. Yeah? That day he come and say they don't give a document. Now every day they give you document. They don't give a document. They don't give a document. How France want to give you document? You went for chop a salon for another place. I will renew a 6 months in now when why I look bo. 6 months say ordinary not be document oh, ordinary paper. 6 months. Take and go. If police see you may show. I will renew or will show You go carry Esan person come, you want come put am say you want put am for Facebook because they pay una say una no see Esan new guy when you want follow una they do this thing. Una no follow Esan new guys. Una no see any Esan new guys when you want follow una come Facebook. How you carry this? My brother come, you want come use am make e come say your lay when e dirty, your lay when they not they make money. Don't they make money for your lay? At the verse. Don't try again. Don't please don't say if you want to insult your community, go and be insulting your community. Stop it. Don't use this person. Stop it. Go and make money, guy. Depression, they worry you. Person see you now, they say, is it the priest? Oh, worry if I say, oh. If I say depression, worry, oh, man, make a. How many years for Europe, you don't make her? Now, depression, they worry. I don't say, what you go do now. You will gather on people. I know the one when I dey talk to Esan. You will gather on people say, I put number, me call the insult lovely. Una insult now. And I let that one they feed to them say, I want to do lovely. May I gather people at the end of the day, people when they go gather, they will say they be a shower. My people, I don't tell you. I don't to me, you do not say you be like, hey. You never oh it is you. That you have the don't win. That bagbile or that red bossy man. Lovely. I go tell you say I work for red light. It concern me if you work for red light. The one we walk on insult me for priest war. Now let God know where they fair walk Bude. Now Bude they walk Bude. Oh what is the bros they call her? Ibizugbe. Buddha. What is Ibizugbe they call that city? If they want to say, I will tell you say na Bude now for do now they for do ashawo. A lovely. I will tell you say na inside Paris now for do ashawo. Now that one they want to fight me oh disgrace. Now disgrace upon disgrace. Where be say where they not supposed to talk where they sleep. Now that one they want to insult me. Anywhere even one of their sisters say he say sister lovely. I say he say I say sister no they say. Where they do igbiagia. Now they will call they tell you say iya igbiagia riva. Oh well at the end of the day now where they know unuwe man. You go see kon say thank you welcome very much. Thank you for the place when una do igbiagia. You are welcome. I don't say that's what I will do. Why Dr. Mame ejibata nyanu we dion we o. Five Dr. Mame me miegeva u kiwahi. My man, that's also water they drink. This heat, I know heat not good for my body at all. One, you can't make me reduce. Heat they make me reduce. Not beside I fat before. You see, my people, make they leave this guy. The priest, please, you are a guy full of life, you know. Full of life. You don't fight Lolo, fight. Forget Lolo. Go find better business they do. The woman when they fight, he get children, he dey in house. She's okay. Like me now, if you say you want to come fight me now, I'm a full citizen of Netherlands. A citizen me wahi. You see, I'm full one. Comfortable full citizen of Netherlands. You see, my own. I'm make it just beloge. I make beloge. Mom kick beloge me. Your own, you just too wet down move. You just knew you are a beginner. I need to advise you, beginner with him. I don't understand. Bodo. Maybe tomorrow now. You can't call, you can't say, what they don't hear about the lovely. Bodo, maybe where they do ashawo for Bodo, not those ashawo people for Bodo. Now they want to insult me. Lovely. He go tell me say he do ashawo for Bodo. I say thank you, clap for yourself for you be using your mouth to talk where you do your prostitute. I will be more than enter house, more than something they disgrace those states, something they disgrace Bini. I don't understand. Ehwe muya, all the shame. I don't see that one when he call for Monica platform. He say they tell me say don't work for red light. Sister, where you work for red light? I better tell me I dey find money. She said she work for red light. Don't even mama where yeah we man. He said this our people. I said wait till your people. They say they tell me say she work for red light. I can't back me le. You know your sister. When I don't come work be again. Ehwe imuya. Only their this thing. Ba ba lo yi wa magbona. Wa ki fi wa shan adoro aru prestige. Agbora agbele lu prestige. God forbid. Nonsense. Stop it. This guy, Esan guy. Where me go Torino. Go Padova. Go different place. Go Ravenna. Go Parma. We can do what we da runerure. If you never quoi, quand let down ye go ashin ye nya wegwa ni mi na khasi off. Eriwe ni. Erevire exchange go. We don't need an adultwa. A Nike go. Or they are 10,000 euro cash. A Nike 10,000 euro cash. A can arrange 500. 250, 150. These people never count 2,000 euro. Don't they count reach 5,000? Tell them not they lie. If I said they 5,000 euro, they can't 5,000 euro. No. These people they are still in Europe, now naira. Now they still the naira currency. Now the Nigeria currency. Now they with the Europe. Now Nigeria currency, now they their brain. If they don't insult person finish, the person will say, where I want put them for account. Which account? He will say put them for Nigeria how much 20,000, 30,000. They are in Europe, they are still in Nigeria currency. When you see some guys for Europe, some guys for Europe, they will hold 5,000 euro like this. 5,000, 10,000 cash, 20,000 cash. Now they go see say woman go come say one man collect 20,000 for their for his hand. Now these boys don't Prince at the boy Namia Yawefe Frank Victor Nogie. Now they run come out. 20,000. Now 20,000 now you just get the woman to collect for your hand. 20,000 euro. 20,000 euro. Just 20,000 euro. Just 20,000 euro like this. They go they shout. They go they mess for body poo. Because they never see 20,000 euro. A never na rigo ni how much you won't give me? I'll give you 100,000. Send and go Nigeria. You don't laugh. You don't laugh. Is it Becky? Becky is Sam. You don't laugh. Not so. These people, the day when one woman say the guy collect 20,000. We live video. Even the day when if you say he give Igbo guy 5,000 euro, these guys they want boss brain. Now I got to say, me, where they pack money put sometimes, if I want gather them together, if I count them, they reach 5,000 to 6,000. Or what go make cash. Now these people want Chris put so. And I always say, I know they carry the money, say, you see where we marry, now understand, I want me here for we. English. I wa muyevani na wa say aye. You all say aye like for 6 months, for 8 months. Yet or yet, these people have never count 5,000 euro cash. As Don Prince did, so he never count. For we have even 3,000. No be one that give her 8,000 euro carry go house. As he reach Nigeria, 3,000 euro can't disappear inside. Ona Gilbona Gecko, ona Gibia, ona Giao, ona Onu, ona Hianyam, ona Tin. Lazy youth. Lazy youth. Now those one they talk. Women when they with these people now, they will feel buy land, build house. No. Now this my Esan brother. Oh yeah, ba. Where me picture no senya. He go pay you. Oh yeah, back on him. Oh yeah, give mama lovely. Vale be done away now. This guy he go pay. This guy he go pay now. You go Esan. Okay, in there. Oh, be done away. Be done shake baby yo. I'm a musician. Where you yeah, ba. As we low. If you want to open your Facebook, open and they do your things alone. Not with these guys. Ukpok barbecue eh. Como 8,000 are na re ashu wa. Oye ko re barbecue eh. 8,000. Not be 8,000 that guy give at that time. All those ones, you know, since I mentioned that they just now. Don Priest, Adeboye na mi Yahoo F, Enogie, Frank Victor. You see, who be another person, you know they. Now I make me tell like Ugo. Ugo is a live video presenter. Ugo, if he talk, if you offend Ugo, if he talk finish, Ugo go comment. Now I make me like that guy, Ugo. If you don't talk finish, you will just comment. If you are still looking for a live video presenter that is a very responsible live video presenter, Ugo. Now tell like Ugo. If you find Ugo trouble, Ugo go come. If you go talk finish, Ugo go comment. Ugo no they come they do she every day. Ugo they do live video once in a month. Sometimes 3 months say you not go see Ugo. Because the guy they do a business. Eh? You don't see that day when that guy say he want sell one of his house. Who go say he want sell one of his house? People come they say why he want sell am. And then na here. The guy say he want sell one of his house. On Don Prince, Adeboye na mi ya wefe. Enogie, Frank Victor. Frank Victor that only veze weye zeye. Like say Frank Victor still they use weight they collect money for women because women when that they follow Frank Victor. Now that they come, they lie their fellow women to Frank Victor. Frank Victor will say, before I will do this, bring money. Sometimes, Frank Victor still get the way when he only waiting Frank Victor do when I don't like. When he come, they want to the disgrace Ivier, regional, that one, I don't take him for Frank Victor. Now that one I vex for Frank Victor, you know. I wanted to call Frank Victor say what he did is not good. But I say, it's not my problem. Let me just forget it. You see these 3, Don Prince, Namia Yawefe, with Nogie. You see there, those people, they never count 1,000 euro cash. They'll say they count 1,000 euro cash. No. I want to give you 200,000, help me fight. I want to give you 50,000, help me fight. I want to give you 100,000, help me fight. Now Nigeria, they abroad though. Now Nigeria currency, now their brain they calculate. Nigeria currency, their brain, no they calculate euro. These people never see 1,000 euro cash. If you want to give them 50 euro, they'll give you Nigeria account. If you want to give them 20 euro, they'll give you Nigeria account. If you want to give them 100 euro, they'll give you Nigeria account. If you say you want to give them 200 euro, they'll give you Nigeria account. These people, they never count money 5,000. As Don Prince did, so Don Prince never count 1,500 euro cash. Don Prince go put on for inside wallet. Don Prince no say I not they lie. Don Prince go put on for inside wallet say Now my 1,500 euro. Now be this one. Don Prince never put on. Yeah, Ugo better pass them. Yeah, I like Ugo. Ugo, you know, where Ugo. Ugo is a man that Owanokere, or responsible. Yeah, Owanugokere, or responsible. Ugo was brought up with a good family. Yeah, Ugo. The time when I see Ugo, I don't know say that guy na Bini. I see they talk and say this guy na Bini guy. This guy be. The guy they respect himself. I like man when they respect himself. Ugo no they drive. No. A long time, I don't see him. Sometimes even they coin. Sometimes Ugo fit just say 2 months. You not go see Ugo. You not see him. Now so everyone ya ni. All these people, you see these people when they so Don Prince and a pie na me ya wefe with a noge. You see these 3 men when I talk so. Now woman that they chop him money. Now currency, Nigeria currency, now they their brain. Oyibo currency, euro. Iya miero. Iya miero be 20 euro, 15 euro, 50 euro. Iya mie. Berari 100, 1,000 plus, 2,000 plus, 3,000 plus. These guys, they never get them. Who that smoky banana? Bad commenter. Who say who that smoky banana? Give the mumu 100 euro before now. Before now, waiting 100 euro before now. Isabella, you were your and they see you for this woman live video yesterday. Now comment you with Victoria. I say, una comment, I go laugh. Comment now they go watch for them. You see, huh? Yes. He just want to use this Ishan guy against Lolo. No, don't try that. Don't use this Ishan guy. Don't bring this Ishan guy to the saga they say they insult Lolo. No. It's enough. You are a man. You are a man. You're supposed to know, say, you're supposed to even, these 2 people, I know, say, they no go fit settle. I know, say, Lolo and Monica, nobody fit settle them. When they get tired of it, they enter house. That is it. People, this one get follower, this one get follower, that they saga themselves. We won't be live video present. If you see the one when you sweet us, now me, now me be the advocate. Now me they come, they tell they say, I must play. If you like, you say your head they so go, I know they look, you know, consign me. Don Prince, as a man, Wamaso kpea because why huigo okpea no huigo or okpea. Man when they make money na be man. Man when not they make money no be man. They walk a huigo. If person say lovely they do live video say leave there be women make that they shout for there. I don't mean why you good man so why you so sema. The attitude of this guy, the way I talk, maybe the Don Prince, Lolo, you never know me, Lolo. As I talk now, my throat they pay me because I don't know how to shout. Now, because I say, wait till they worry this guy. This guy they crazy. You want your open person brain put your saga? No, talk and small. Come on there. If you like me shout, you just they shout. Your shout not they come out for your house. Who they fear who? Who they fear who now? And I don't say Europe don't come. Oh. The time in Europe, we are here Europe. When now you be man, Don Prince, you go insult me, I be woman. If I see you for road, I will help you hold ground. I'll find way when I'll take give you to Obaligbe. Now so women they do that and say, hey, Bena, that here no Obaligbe. Hey, I lovely. If I see you, what I will do you. Only want you when I will do you, I will give you to Obaligbe. Now so rich. Only I have ebony and swagger. Kolo. Okay, de Kolo. Yes. This guy, you see they do video, even the time when you have problem with people that time, they say, make Don Prince enter house. I say, if Don Prince no fit enter house, if you now want make Don Prince enter house, make una enter house. I just still do that one. But this one, Don Prince, you never did it well. You dey talk say you don't stay where they say make Lolo dey speak Ishan. Say na Ishan na Lolo be. And people when they follow Lolo they do saga, they be Bini. Then they use Bini for Lolo. Lolo supposed to use Bini for them. If Lolo they use Ishan for them, they don't go feel here. My Ishan, if na one even hear on, I'll feel hear and small, but Lolo Ishan, you know go feel here okay Ishan. Okay Ishan is very deep Ishan. You know, if you hear okay. You get okay, go speak Ishan rich. You yourself not go here if you not be Ishan. Then you don't have to go and bring our Ishan brother, make come follow you sit down. No spoil am for us. We just go beg you. Now money, now this our Ishan brother come make for Euro. You no want make money, I beg. Enough. Don't do that. As if you not be man. You know why I say you not be man? You never hold 2,000 euro cash since when you dey Europe. No, don't never. You never hold 2,000 euro cash. I wish you hold 2,000 euro cash. You go know what is money. Now Nigeria currency, where Europe, when Nigeria currency where you use, they use your brain. They use Nigeria currency, but in Europe, common Europe money, you know they see money. Inigo 20 euro, 50 euro. We amigo be 100 euro. Where you no la we wallet. Since when you dey Europe, don't 1,000 euro don't dey your wallet. Where you foresee? Don't have day as Vera talk. You know. These two women, they quarrel. As you read there, you carry one, you they use until they beat one. No, as a man, as you reach there, you say, these two friends, you don't take one they fight, you don't do more than enter house, one go settle on herself. If you want me, you can't get view. Now you can say, Monica follow her, can they watch you? As you he saw the Lolo reserve, Monica follow her, not they come. You know, if that they insult, if you want to insult Lolo, if you want to insult Monica, now women, if that they insult themselves, now follow her, they come. If men, they do one, you know, they sweet women. It doesn't sweet women. Then you don't have to do this. This is uncalled for. Why are you bringing Ishan person to come and use it to be, don't come use and take the saga Ishan sister? It's not good. Look at Edede and Wish. Today, now you people, I mean, that they see Bini person when he never beat this Edede and Wish. All of them they beat her. Because why? She reduced herself to una. Because ona hiamebo because ona no to react belega. Ono wa react bonega. That they beat her. This one will beat her. This one will beat her. That one will beat her. They become a useless toilet fly in Facebook. Don Prince, na Edede na wish, you for learn. You for say, no, my brother, you be Ishan. I beg, I don't want make you come. See, one useless woman, when you come for a bank, when they train for a walking, see the way when they use, Benin people, they fight themselves. As you want to, you see they carry our Ishan brother, they come. You want to put them for Facebook. If you tire, say, una dey fight una self, you don't like her gate, don't please enter house. You can enter house, quit. If you dey shame. Many people see Odion way. How they see Odion way, girl, Odion way talk, Odion way see una no hear word. Odion way ona akpa. Where Odion way see they look people, but he say, here ti gwe na akpa, Odion way ona eko akpa, me my Odion way a Facebook. Then you don't do that. Go and make money, don't praise. Go and make money. Owo bi plantain can guy. Our jollof rice you to was ve na zekena yeti pare. And who has all yo. If they put fried rice for ground, who has all yo. When I miss gravel, miss cement. Yes, cement ya miss kenahaya bowa. What's your problem? Don't do that. You two they resist. If you want to say, resist. We resist, oh. When you talk of resist for Edo State, if you talk of resist, Asian people resist, eh? Only say we know the one who they use. We feel say it's not good. We resist that. Now I will tell you talk to ourselves. If you don't do that like this. You don't come out. You don't do this. Don't do it. If you want to, if you want to, they fight Lolo. You don't fight and fight. Settle it with your friend. Tell it with your friend. You're supposed to tell them with your friend. Say Lolo, Monica, una matter. You never see rich man na enter house. You they fight woman. You won't be man. Oh, working out. Who you here? Do you have Totona? I don't. Please don't ever do this again. Don't do it. Don't do it. Walk here where we be. Because Lolo they speak Bini. Lolo not even if Lolo want to talk to now, Lolo they speak Bini. Oh. I hate to see Lolo they speak Bini. If Lolo want talk to now, say you want really talk to now, me una here. Now they use Bini till they talk to now. Yes. Lolo they too much speak Bini. Me di Ishamboy kon tell na this Ishamboy o da gene dagbare o da do de ba na na do agbuki that me you dey speak Isha. When you tell her, what do you tell her? You use English to tell her. If that one want answer you, don't be say that one want answer you. If I still use English, answer you say he no go speak Isha. Why you will say me speak Isha? What did they pay you? If Lolo should speak Isha, tell they fight you now. Una hear wetin Lolo dey talk. That one go say lovely, come translate for us. Lovely, come translate for us. Una no go hear. Una no dey hear. Now few Bini, now they hear Ishan. You know say that Bini follow Ishan waka. Waka zesan. Una know how to speak Ishan. Even if say Ishan follow na stay house for 1 month. Now the one when 1 year, Bini person when want listen to the language, now they listen to the language. Okay, if Lolo can't they speak Ishan, who Lolo can't they talk to like that? Now he with Ishan people they fight. Now when be Bini, now they sagaran. They have to speak Bini language for them. Now here. Then why you bringing this boy come on? Make this boy come they help you they talk to Lolo. Oh, we are by general na jewon na ju feme. Ewo no say or titikwa bi yo higbo. Inyo no say that be yo higbo. Wara yo higbo. Our culture the way ki won so ki that be. Igbo plant Igbo this thing coco nya when they take they make soup. Would they plant that year? Everywhere go fine. The hand go make bada. It go fine. Before 6 months, abi 3 months, come see ya. Everything you know go see this year again. All of them go flat for ground. You know go see again now. Now only this you can go the vulo. Now they use and they take the talk for Ishan. Say utiti kwabi yo higbo. Say you retro way. I see your higbo te retro way. Now be utiti kwa you retro way. I see your higbo te retro way. Be your hona. With the plant away, if you see where they planted your whole put that, if you they look how it go fine, because if the people they come buy them for our hand that time, we they use the head when it did the round one when they use until they pound the jam. Then this thing when it did the hand when they now they cook soup. If you don't reach our market day, you go just load them, put for bag. If you don't reach there, then they buy them. We get where we they store and put for backyard that time. You get the way when they do the house. We just store and put and arrange on top of a plank. E na etiti kwa bi yo higbo. Wala bere disgrace ho no say je. Okere genya a disgrace ho no say brosi. Other gon where don't disgrace Esan because they disgrace their women. Do you see these people that they disgrace their own Bini women? And if they want, now let me one, if Benin women when they call in, no be all. The one when they insult me, now are they insult. If they can't call these people, make they can't insult me myself, if I insult them, they know they call in again, they'll say that lovely get useless mouth. You see, say, they will be the men, Benin men, they are made they make money, that they Facebook, that they call their women adulterous women. Now I make can, and I made this guy, oh yeah, but where I even anytime where I'm on the video, now I'm telling you the truth. Now I make this boy, where they call him Don Prince, now I make can carry you come, may you go the insult your old Esan sister. Because he don't insult the Esan sister, insult. He see say nobody answer am. He can't say what you go do. When you can't go greet her now, he can't tell you say you can't help her. Insult your Esan sister. Because why? That they insult their own women when even their husband house. When their fellow Benin men pay their bride price. Those men, all those Benin men when they do live video. Now they call their women, their toto, they make poto. Now that one, now he want use you do over your bar. Run for them. If you see the social media, all many people join their sister, Monica. Yes. You know what that they do, eh? This comment when you write so, eh? You are right. They go deep. He get one woman, once at a time, the woman, we can't they talk. Now, Binio, as he can't they talk, he can't they use system, they bring her, I know say Monica, na abrosi, born for abrosi, come for Esan, now say, the way when Lolote they do, and you know like her, you know say, they talk for matter, but sometimes, if you want to talk her, you say they talk her 50-50. You're not supposed to they talk her 50-50. As far as say Monica born for her bros, for the join Monica. Now I thought say I know they join anybody, madam. Now so I tell them, I say no, I don't they join anybody. Now 50-50. If Monica do it no good, I will give her. If Lolo do it no good, I will give her. Not be you go tell me. You can't make I can't join her. I say no, I know they join her. Stop it. I say no. Even if say Esan person call me say, Mama, John Lolo. They fight Monica, I'll say now 50-50. Now so I think they do my own. Because if they send you message tomorrow, now they will still come beat you. Now do matter say, okay, now, but not tell us say, Baba, carry your while I go that side. Now you want to tell me what I want to do. And this Esan guy enter house, not join this same year people. Yes! Oh, yeah, but whether I'll just go, I'm going to move a bottle. And they say, now they be the Benin men when they disgrace Benin men like them. No Esan men when they disgrace Esan men. God forbid. Mani wo Esan, ma relo miegbelan, ma twegbelan. Even you see, so Benin guys where you good. If you see Esan man, you say, I will be a babo ye. You say, Esan will say, obi oba voye. Now we always say, obi oba to Benin people. Then Benin people say, then those are the people he want to, this guy now, he say he get brain. He don't get brain. He won't make this boy come. Make people come to insult this guy. Because why? They don't already they use insult bath. They don't already get disgrace. Then they find who they want share the disgrace for. Don't prissy. Even if say you come tomorrow, because say message to Lovely, you know they talk. Because why? You don't get money. Now men when get money, how they do like this. Men when get money, they say, sir, yes, sir. Not be poor stinking depression guy. You don't get money now. Now young guys. They say, Mama, I beg. I dey come house, I want come chop fufu o. Mama take this 200 euro. Use and take buy things. Now those guys, now if they talk, I know say that they talk. Not be all those one where they not get 5 euro when they want give person. We're just trying to use this guy against Lolo. But you know say this guy na Ishan. You supposed to despise this guy the way when you take despise Lolo. As this guy na Ishan, you supposed to hate this guy, not like this guy, hate him. Even me when they talk to you, not like me, hate me. Because why? I don't like you. I know they deceive myself. Don't use our brother to fight our sister. So they say, not be Ishan. Na Ishan, so say na Ishan. Na Ishan. The village when for come, they speak. Na our brother. How many village they inside Bini when they speak Ishan? If you not feel bring come, I will sit to say na my sister. Don't like this guy. Hate this guy. Just hate him. You hate this guy now, like pass, because so this guy will run from you. Because if you don't hate this guy no fit run from you. I want you to hate this guy. Even me that is talking to you, hate me, don't like me. I don't want you to like me because I don't like una like. Una like na craze. Una like na be the worst something for life. I don't want una like me. I don't send una like. Yeah, you are a man. Two people they fight since. Go settle them. If you don't feel settle them, leave them. Forget about them. If no be resist when you be. If no be resist when you be. Two people they fight. Two women they fight. What are you going to do as a man? As you they come now. You they waka they come for road now. You see say Bini woman, with Igbo woman they fight. What till you will do? You want to join the Bini woman, they be the Igbo woman. The Igbo guys go come out. Only wait till you go. You say, our sisters, all now they fight now. You don't do. You go this side. You go this side. No, you not doing. You want go bring Ishan come. Now van bear. No desieloru. Where's Zara? You are a madman. That thing when you do, I don't like her. You are a fool. You are just a useless young youth when you don't want to wake up for reality to see reality. This is reality. Wake up. You are sleeping. Go and make money out there. Go and make money, guy. See the part on the business when you they insult every day by day. That man must go work every day. On Saturday they go work. You go sit down, they say, pas bouzoube, pas bouzoube, pas bouzoube, pas bouzoube. As they shout about bouzoube, je sais pas bouzoube de count money. Et pas bouzoube can go to bank now. You go tell banks, you need a loan of 25,000 euros. They go give a pipe bouzoube cash. You now, nyete. Onja no mama. This one na in best side. This is the best side of it, of whose son is this? Bue. Right, useless man. I'm very angry at you, No, if you don't say message to love lo good berak bijou, you are a madman. Not try, Go and fight your people. Don't ever use Ishan to fight Ishan. See the one wanna carry can't die here. See how they fight beneath people everywhere now. You don't see Ishan when you want fight again. You don't see Ishan. All the Ishan when you carry come that way want to fight me, all of them call me mama. One day he couple for the day na wish. And I the day na wish then they come they call her. Mama, sorry. One day I be one call away couple for the day na wish live video. Please forgive me. Since when I insult you, you not get peace of mind. I say I not do you anything now. Na Ishan, na ancestors of Ishan, na they na or when I go many lazy boy. Now this girl come. This whether na they no bokie na enter inside Bini. Today now, all of una dey find how na want to drive van. Well, I don't fit drive van. You this dana una amu our brother. Una don't use the day na wish finish. Una want start to dey use our brother again. You know go work for una. The day na wish if you be responsible woman, she's not from Ishan. If the day na wish from Ishan, all this thing when they do, you no go follow na do am. Una no go see the day na winch. Yeah, it's on the best side of a child. The day na winch it no be if I talk her. The day na winch or Esan or Esan say the day na winch na Ishan woman. Una no go see her, you no go give una body see finish. Like. The day na winch no give una body see finish. No Ishan woman one can give una body see finish. Now I made the doctor they talk sometimes, that lovely. They don't know where carry head go. They don't know where carry leg go. They don't know where carry the leg go. No, you people, you cannot understand me. Because why? Lie to lie. Lie to lie. Disgrace. When I tell the disgrace beneath women. Now they call now women, I shall go up and down. Adulteress, I shall go, blah, 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 blah. Now they call now women, they give now women different name. Now that one, I wanted to find another person, one I want to breed that. This boy, he say he be racist. You know, they say, me, myself, I resist past you. Even this guy, when you follow sit down, he resist past you. And then this boy now, he move, pion. Useless boy. I mean, nonsense guy. I bear. Now that what you want to do? No sense. About my people, may I leave you now? May you can't speak Ishan for Lolo. This boy with Lolo, who's senior in shoulder? Now this boy wants speak Ishan for Lolo. I said be Lolo, I said be this boy. Now this boy want teach Lolo how to speak Ishan. As this boy come there, now he go tell say he won't teach me how to speak Ishan. I senior and well. Esan sorry woni me aze. So Ishan people will say, mama, where's Esan sha? Me aze san de so. Ishan they get Ishan parable. There is no parable when I go make for Ishan land. This guy go say, where you foresee this parable, mama? Not try that thing again. Go and talk to your una sister when you they fight for. One of they drag Pikin. Una they drag Pikin. Because una see say una they Bini and Nisha now una they drag Pikin. If na Bini una will drag the Pikin. If na Bini man by na born that guy, Bini man na papa, una go drag am because una see say na Isha and Bini na una drag the Pikin come na side say na papa wala na get her. Useless people. Useless people. Nonsense. You know the shame. Foolish guy. All your mate go, you know go. They sit down for there. Sit down for there. They find women money when they want job. Now make una know better. They will build 2 flats for 20 years. I buffo. Now I be the 2 flats for all body will come green. But I mean we know who. Oko marigore why me block. Oko marigore why they smith. Oko marigore when I want to buy water when I want to most smith. Oko marigore why they walker. Why make you go? Okwima wagwa liva. Deva ni ale nwa ya cheating ya. I dey tell them say make they no mount na again. Na cheat na day to day. This prick one even they carry they go. The prick self is small. Or man digba. If they say no na jump up, now some men they jump up now before they will jump down. Their prick will make bri. Una I mean work with pint if they look for her, we know they greasy. As that woman thought, he said lovely say she they find prick where you won't see. You know greasy the prick. I mean, you know go sit down for live video they talk. Because the son to go they prepare you for gist. This one no get a kia. Ekia no ria ye tene. Ikpeve no ro. Ikpeve o de lo we ne when no de lo. Una procos don't fall like do my breast. Young breast. Eh wa totana so they are this thing. They are kutus watia bi watia. Now so it's small. I say amulo bomu. Why na contact na say lovely. You dey jealous of me. And I know your feel friend you. I want to do you. Your prick no go. Your ikbeve no go reach me sock. If I suck your ikbeve, you go shout. You go faint. Then I can just say lovely because do na woman don't know how to handle una. If you do na woman put una procos for mat, they suck una procos. Why wa lying na? Now you enter RIP. Now this one now, those one now outside now they before they will say, do before you know, oh why here? You were working here, Papa. Hey, you know let me quickly put on now. Now Joshua now those one they release put. Yeah, can't talk. Yeah, una woman will see say make they consider manage una cassava. And right where no manage they consider insult to now. The woman no say I know they lie now. They're not the their cassava not the big. I will down the row or I can a short man. Oh, to tell the short man. I want to carry dick. I the short man want it car. You know what short in every no right be a short in here short. I will short, you will short. Short. We corribo, we do penis is short. Where you want see penis? Joke davade. I don't know. We are not clear. Etitak bagbe. You etitak be. Man we carry dick. Now so stand they stand. You say sit down now. You go say no. I want relax because he dick. No, if you use the dick, take sit down. Oh why what total you mean? Why so you sorry? What back man with Facebook? I need can I or GI we are who when you just say manage Ekia no mass me rock ba. Ekia no the only way mama me we walk your way, Ekia no na ure I feel Mama no come spoil me. Say no because they like that gist. They say if una prick they come out for inside pekus, they know they feel am. O pe anogele wen kia no le allow where you go feed the heat. If they come out for inside, you go feed the heat. Emi ana wegbe no emi na wegbere. Emi ala wegbe emi on la wegbe. Oh wa eye video. Me my mo wa because me ni me ya because e no konkon me wa mu o wa we muigo e no konkon because e ni aron we antai. Because empty mega size no wa size no wa okeregbe. Why what total you gwagele how care say you to get prick you office don top of prick do live video for 1 hour every day by day. You know they see if you see some people for party if they sit down they go get up. Guys, if you sit there you say why this guy not the fit sit down? He get big penis. No. Now see you boy for you boy waka for office. If they do something for office, they go get up, they go draw their distance down like this. So that their cassava make get space. Oh who wow ye thing. Yeah, that back by me. I not go friend you, I go friend you, I not go friend you, I go friend. Why we care, why we go, I even why you go. Why people may I leave on a bye. Don't preach that thing when you do. Just stop it. Go if you want, if how you take commute for the Zoom when they fight. Tell say you wait to now. You don't do clear. Don't use Ishan to fight somebody. And even don't use Ishan to fight Bini. I cannot use Ishan to fight Bini. See this useless old fool. When be one use me, carry me come they fight. At the end.